skaters, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. I am Coach Julia and I am going to teach you an ice dance pattern dance today. So if you've been watching the Olympics, you've probably been seeing all these gorgeous ice dancers out there. All of that begins with learning pattern dances. So I have a whole playlist here on YouTube with the different pattern dances, starting with your very first ice dancing steps and then going through in order. So you would learn the Dutch waltz, you've learned canasta tango, you've learned rhythm blues, and now the fourth one is the swing dance. Now I am a swing dancer on the floor, and I don't think this feels like swing dancing, but this is what figure skating, ice skating, whatever thinks is swing. So we're gonna go through it. I'm gonna run through the dance one time, and then I will break it down for you. So with the swing dance, you're gonna do half of the dance facing backwards and half of the dance facing forward. Now in ice dancing, we typically have a male and a female skating, but we can call it a lead and a follow. So I would consider myself a follow, okay? So usually the following partner goes backward first and forward second, where the leading partner is gonna go forward first and backward second. The footwork is exactly the same, so you can learn it and then decide, do you want to be the leader or the follower? And then you will either go backward or forward, depending on your choice. So since I am doing the following role, I'm going to teach it to you with the backward section first. So you're going to have some intro steps if you were taking this as a test, or if you were competing it as a pattern dance. The first thing for the follow is to do a right to left inside edge mohawk, and I want you to try to do that as close as you can to the very top of the ice. You can do it just before or in the hockey goal box. All right, you don't want to do it after, so it needs to be just before or in the hockey goal box. So we do our mohawk. You're going to step back onto your right and do an outside edge. This is not a swing roll, it is just an outside edge, almost like a backward chassé. You're just pushing backward onto your outside edge. You're gonna bring your feet together. Remember, we always bring our feet together in between every step in ice dance. We put our feet in that little shoebox. And now here I am next to my main axis. So I have come to the side of the hockey circle. I'm parallel with the long axis, and I'm going to do a backward, left back outside swing roll. Let's get through that little intro piece all together. So nice and smooth from the beginning, we have our intro steps. We're gonna do our right to left inside mohawk, push back onto our right back outside edge, and then we have that left back outside swing roll. Once we are on our axis, we're gonna do a chassé, going counterclockwise, and then another chassé, going clockwise. This should bring you to about the center of the ice. So you can see I'm right here on that red line. From there, we're gonna do two more backward swing rolls. So I'm gonna start with one going counterclockwise. So I'm swinging my left leg through, and then I'm gonna do one going clockwise, swinging my right leg through. All right, so the side pattern is swing roll, chassé, chassé, swing roll, swing roll. And now we're ready for our end pattern. So after our final swing roll, we're gonna push back onto our right back outside edge, mohawk forward onto a left outside edge, push onto our right forward outside edge, push onto our left outside edge, and then slide. So we're gonna put our feet together and slide. So that slide is really cute. We're just come forward. We put our feet together. We're on our right forward inside edge and we slide that left foot out. Okay, and from that slide, you're gonna step forward onto a right forward inside edge because now we're creating another curve. We're coming around to mimic. We're doing the forward part of what we just learned. So right here is where your pattern changes. The slide indicates instead of doing a mohawk, you're sliding, okay? So while your partner is mohawking to turn, you're gonna do a little slide. So then from our slide, we're gonna step onto our left inside edge, step right, and do a swing roll. Now we're gonna copy the same pattern going forward. We're gonna do our chassé, clockwise chassé, counterclockwise swing roll, clockwise swing roll, and then we're gonna go left, right, left. And we're ready to repeat the pattern with our mohawk. There is your whole swing dance pattern. Let me see if I can talk you through the entire thing in one shot. A couple things to keep in mind. Try to bring your feet together. So you're stepping in between each thing together. You're not stepping through. You want to try to bend your knees, pre-bend. So bend before you step. I need to work on that a little bit, but that's okay. So we're bending and then stepping, all right? And try to be really clean with your edges, okay? All of those things are gonna make your ice dancing look really nice. You also wanna shift the lean of your lobe. Don't shift it early, shift it as you step. So let your lean go with each curve, if that makes sense. So we have our intro steps. We have our right inside mohawk, right back outside edge, left back swing roll. We have our counterclockwise chassé, clockwise chassé, counterclockwise swing roll, clockwise swing roll. Push back right, step out left, push inside edge, push outside edge, slide. Step outside edge, swing roll onto the right, counterclockwise chassé, clockwise chassé, counterclockwise swing roll, clockwise swing roll, step 1, 2, 3, and you can repeat it with a mohawk, or you can finish your dance.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
right, skaters, I hope you enjoyed learning the swing dance. If you did, please do give us that thumbs up. And always, I look forward to reading all your comments in that section down below. If you haven't done so yet, then hit that subscribe button so you can see all my videos when they come out. Happy skating, and I'll see you next time.